Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred one Kashmiri youth in Kupwara district. The youth was martyred by Indian troops during a military operation in Saidpora area of the district. The operation was going on till last reports came in. Unknown gunmen shot at and injured a government employee in Srinagar city. Meanwhile, Indian troops have launched a cordon and search operation in Qamarwari and Bamina, Srinagar. APHC has thanked the people of Jammu and Kashmir for supporting its call against the Bharatiya Janata Party regime's ongoing eviction and demolition campaign in the garb of anti-encroachment drive. APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said the BJP regime is resorting to brutal measures to disempowering the people of the territory by grabbing their properties, lands, waqf, Anjuman properties and demolition of their houses, shops and business complexes. President Indian National Congress Occupied Kashmir Chapter Waqar Rasoolwani has termed the eviction drive as another assault on the territory and demanded immediate end to the anti-people move. Waqar Rasoolwani, in a meeting of party leaders in Srinagar, lashed out at the authorities for demolishing residential houses and commercial buildings of the people in the occupied Kashmir. 3 punts of Kahnu Kalani Panchayat have resigned to protest against the poor work of the panchayats in Poonch district. Punts of Block Santra have submitted their resignations in the Mandi area of the district. International media organizations have called for the release of illegally detained noted Kashmiri journalist Fahad Shah, who is paying heavy price for elevating people's voice in the occupied Kashmir. The police arrested Fahad Shah after calling him to a police station in Pulwama for questioning on February 4 last year. Representatives from Ladakh took their agitation to New Delhi by staging a protest there in support of their demands. The protest was meant to press for their 4 demands, including full statehood, 6th schedule under Indian Constitution, job reservation, separate public service commission for Ladakh, and 2 parliamentary seats for Leh and Kargil. Pakistan has called for just and peaceful settlement of the Kashmir dispute in accordance with the UN Security Council resolutions. Foreign Office spokesperson Mumtaz Zahra Baloch, during her weekly news briefing in Islamabad today, said Pakistan continues to raise concerns about the situation in the occupied territory.